Good afternoon students, welcome to class 7 chemistry class. Last video you learned only physical changes and chemical changes. What is physical change, chemical change and their characteristic. Today I am going to discuss the two activities given in your book. Actually this type of activity is very much important. We come to your exam. First activity, to classify the changes as physical or chemical. Two activities given in your book, which one is a chemical and which one is physical. First activity, the procedure, dissolve 1 teaspoonful of sugar in a beaker of water. At first take one beaker and the water and this solution, the sugar in the beaker. Heat this solution until all the water evaporates, and continuously you heat this solution. Okay, continuously you heat this solution until this is the all the water is evaporates. And the observation, you will observe that white powder is left behind in the beaker, which is sweet in taste. The white powder, you will observe that white powder is left behind, which is actually the sweet in taste. What is this type of changes? Actually, this is the physical change. First one activity, this is physical change. Okay, why this is physical change? Telling you physical change. Why this is physical? Actually, the no new substances is formed. The white powder, actually this is the sugar, and this process is the reversible. And white powder is left, this is the in the sugar which you had dissolved in the water. Since the change is reversible, no new substances is formed in this process. This solution of sugar is water is a physical change. Actually the first activity in a group, this is the physical change. Actually no new substance is formed, and this process, these changes is reversible. And next activity, hold a sheet of paper using a paper or tongs and bring it near a flame, and it started burning. Take a paper, sheet of papers, and hold a pair of tongs and burn it. After burning, you will observe this is the continuously. Wait few minutes till the paper burns completely. You will observe the black color residue. You observe the black color residue. Actually, black color residue. Actually, this is the carbon. Okay, and this is a completely different from the paper. Actually, the paper, the as is new product form and cannot be converted into the original paper. And this activity, actually, this is chemical change. Chemical change. Okay, chemical change. First one physical, second one chemical. Why it is chemical? Actually, this is a carbon as actually this is a carbon, and carbon is totally different from paper. The new substance is formed, and this process is irreversible. We cannot back again original paper. Okay, two activity given. Many activities given in your book, but this one to do in your own. Okay, later I will discuss this activity. Then next one is the change of state. Very much important. Change of state. State means here this is the matter. State. Change of state. Change of state, you know the matters have the three states: solid, liquid and gases. Then what is the change of state? Change of state means the process of change of substance from one physical to another at a definite temperature is called change of state. This is the process of change of substances. The process of change of the substances from one state to another state. Okay, means from solid to liquid, liquid to gases at a definite temperature. Temperature is most important. At a definite temperature, it is called change of state. Clear? Actually, the process with the substances of the process of substances changes. The change of substances from one state to another state means solid to liquid, liquid to gas to liquid. This process is called total process at a definite temperature. When seen it is a definite temperature. This is called change of state. And for example, when an ice cube is heated, it changes into water. When suppose the ice cube and it is heated and changes into water. Ice cube means here it is solid. Okay, clear? When you heated the ice cube, you will get water. Water means liquid. Then again, this water is heating and changes into water vapor or the steam. This is gas. Solid to liquid, liquid to gas. Actually, the water, only the one substances present in the three stages. Then again, you can, this is the gases. Again, the steam is get converted into water. Steam is get again converted into water. Okay. After the water, the cooling is get to solid. This is again this cooling. This process when you back and to a liquid, but this is cooling. Then liquid is formed. This liquid and again cooling. Again you get solid. Means this. Okay, this is the change of state of water. Actually, this I am showing you. This is a change of state of water. Okay. And the different process you changes given your book. What is the melting, the condensation, boiling. Next video I will discuss all these things. Okay. And one this is the myth and fact is given your book. Since the distilled water is the purest form of water, it is good for health. Is good. Actually, the distilled water. Distilled water is not a good for health. Okay, distillers are actually used in laboratory, in the lab working, and actually this is in the distilled water. So you know minerals is present. Actually, this is not is good for health. Distilled water. Only the most important is the change of state. Different definition is most important. Next video I will clearly the melting. What is this? Okay, you learn at home properly. Please learn at your home and activity. You learn all this activity given in your book. Activity very much important. Activity will come in your exam also. If any doubt you can ask. Better you ask in Teno app and mention the class and subject also. These are properly which type of question, which thing or doubt you write. Okay, through Teno app you can ask me. In the comment box you can ask me. But it's better to ask Teno app. Thank you.